Hey guys, for this plantain of puff balls, we need one ripe plantain and we're going to mash this plantain with our fork, mash it well and blend it into a puree. We're going with 2 tablespoons of sugar, a little bit of salt, and we're going to mix this together. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share. Going with 2 tablespoons of flour and 1 teaspoon of yeast. You're going to combine this together and until it's well incorporated. We are going to go in with some warm milk or warm water next. Water can still go for this recipe. We're going to combine this together. We don't want it strong and we don't want it too watery, okay? This consistency on the video is the right consistency that you want for this of balls that we want to be making. I'm going to transfer this into a plate with a tight cover lid. I'm going to cover it and allow it to proof for about 30 minutes. Okay, now this is the outcome. This is how well it has proved. I'm going to add oil into my pot. We're going to be deep frying this puff until it turns golden brown. This will enable it to cook inside. At the same time, this puff is going to be crispy. Yes, it's also going to be crispy. So you're going to use this method I'm using to put this puff mix into the oil. I'm using in between my thumb and my index finger to put this puff mix into the oil, and you want to stir this at intervals so that both sides brown evenly. If you don't stir this, you end up having a puff that one side is brown and the other side is not brown. The key to getting evenly brown puff is continuous stirring. So I kept stirring this puff until my desired brownness was achieved. I drained it with paper towel or a basket. Okay, you don't want this to soak in oil into a plate, so you want to drain the oil while you're taking the puff away from the frying pan. So when this is ready, you can serve this with any chilled drink, yogurt of your choice. The outcome is nice and delicious, and you can serve this to your guests when they come visiting. It's a snack that can go round. It's enjoyable. You can snack on it at any time of the day. If you're going to give this recipe a try, don't forget to let me know how the outcome was and if you enjoyed this recipe. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share the video. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for the support. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till next time, bye.